People always ask me, like, Ken, how do they come up with the names for the stone? And see, vampire stone. This is vampire stone. This is the kind of stone that you find around Dracula's castle. It's gonna bite you. Camelot stone, right? One of the best ways to name a stone that has never been named is to take what it looks like and combine it with something that's popular. Jenga stone. This is Jenga stone. Pull one out, the whole thing topples. Man, that's not a good name. Only the worthy can pull out the sign. Remember that worm from Empire Strikes Back that almost eats the Millennium Falcon? Empire Strikes Back stone. It's chair stone. Fighting your enemies stone. Parking stone. You heard of Bluestone? Pink stone. Like, this is like scary stuff. This is a bold choice. Free range stone. What it means is it's completely natural. There's no additives. There's no hormones. Probably grass fed. Uh-oh. Watch out, vampire stone. It's a natural stone, obviously. You think a manufactured stone's going to be able to grow a virus? You don't know what's going to happen. Wood stone. I can bite you and turn you into one of my army of the undead. Army of the undead stone. I think people buy that.